special for you today, a BidetMate. Let me tell you, this thing is cool. Yep, it senses you and opens up. You can kick the bottom right there or press this button right here because I'm a boy and I don't need the seat down. But if I do want the seat down, let me tell you, ooh, this thing is so warm. You know that is warm. You can adjust the temperature as well and check out this remote. This remote has everything you want. You want it the front, the dryer, the rear, the flush. It's got multiple speeds. You got the open and close on top, and let me show you the good part. The good part right here, you can adjust the nozzles forward, backwards, water pressure. Oh yeah, I said water pressure. You can do a nozzle clean, and yep, ladies, you can do a massage if you want to. It's got a night light. It's got a seat temp, water temp. This thing is absolutely awesome. It just plugs into a 110. It's got a normal water line right there that you see in most bathrooms. And the best part about it is when you're all done, this thing, when you walk away, it just flushes and closes, so you never have to flush the toilet. You gotta get one of these BidetMates. They're awesome. I've got 2 Totos at 4x the price, and I'll take this any day of the week. Gotta love it.
Okay, I love this toilet.